So, it's at the end of the class, you're about to sum it up. So, we did an interview when we first started. So, now tell me, how was the experience of the class? Was the instructor any good?
Yeah.
And did you learn anything?
Well, yeah, first of all, my instructor, yeah, you know what I'm saying?
I appreciate it.
Yeah, I learned a lot from you.
Appreciate it.
I like how you went from the hardest part to the easiest part. You know what I'm saying? We went from the stick to the flux, to the MIG, to the TIG, you know what I'm saying, the spray. Then you started it over, you know what I'm saying? And I definitely recommend the class to anybody. You know
Recommend it to anybody.
Anybody, you know what I'm saying?
So you think it's worth it for the time frame and what we're doing?
Oh yeah, like we dove straight in, you know what I'm saying? You teaching 4 people at a time, you know what I'm saying? Everybody getting the best out of everything, you know what I'm saying?
So you'll most definitely prefer to something.
Yeah, I most definitely would.
Okay, so tell me this. So, out of the whole process, because everybody finds different things that made it look complicated for them or made it hard. So, out of all the processes, so if I would have to say, out of stick, MIG, and flux, what was the hardest position out of all of them to learn?
Overhead.
Overhead was the hardest to you?
Overhead was the hardest.
Okay, overhead was the hardest to you.
Yeah,
Okay.
it was, because it's like, you gotta get comfortable. You gotta be comfortable when you're doing overhead. You gotta keep it real tight. And it's kind of hard to do that in a position where you over your head with it, you know what I'm saying?
So you can't really see,
Yeah,
so you really got to work with that.
Yeah, you really got to work with it. You got to learn to be comfortable while you wear it in any position, because if you don't, it'll mess you up, you know what I'm saying?
And you know what, that's the main thing, being comfortable before you get started. Now, so do you think the way I taught you how to be comfortable, sit down, get it ready, and then once you learn it, you can kind of start moving around, but being comfortable getting it is a plus. What you think?
Yeah, you got to find your way, you know what I'm saying? I learned a lot from you, like you know how you used to just throw me into it, and then I mess up, then you'll come back, and then you'll just show me what you're doing, and I just find your way through it.
Yeah.
Hey,
that was the best way to learn. I throw you in there
Yep.
and just say, figure it out, and then I come back and I put hands on with you, show you how to fix it, and then that pretty much what
it's a no-brainer from there.
No brainer.
You know
So anybody in the local area of Little Rock, Arkansas, you would tell them and their kids to come down here and
Come
sign
down
up.
to Joe Brown and get your welding degree.
What he said? All gone.